Hi guys, Matt here, hope you're doing really well. In this video here, going to show you how to do a post video edit after you've inserted into Invideo. So you may have uploaded a video, put it into your scene, but then you found some things you actually want to cut out. So if you want to do a pre-load of your first edit of your video, there's another video for that. This one's going to be after you've inserted it. This can also be done to do multiple edits as well, so deleting multiple sections within your video. So we'll get straight into it. So what you need to actually click on the media section, so the module, so the media module, so it's this one here. And what you need to have happen next is you need to click on timeline. So what we're looking for now is an editing function. So click on it. We're looking for this up here. So we want to bring this section up here. So if you find a quicker way to bring this up, let me know in the comments below. So we're going to click on trim. So previously, first and foremost, I trimmed out the first section before I inserted it into my scenario. But now I've realized, hey, there's a section I missed. So we're going to repeat what we did in the first video. And that link should be somewhere you can find. But this is a little gotcha for new players. So we need to make sure we actually want to trim out a section in the last part of this video. But right now it's actually in the first section. So you'll see by the timeline it's showing that from 0 to 2 minutes 15 is this first section. So ideally we actually want to create another section to have multiple sections and stitch them together. So we can't drag this over in its present form because we haven't selected it first and foremost. So you need to select it, left click if you're using a mouse, to bring this timeline bar on the bottom. Now you can drag the section away. So we'll just go back over that. So by default, you may get a lot frustrated like I did, and you're thinking, I can't drag it. And if you drag it, you're going to shift the whole scene over, which is not what you want to do, because you spend all the time editing the first instance and cutting out this faded out section. So again, we'll do that one more time. Go to the section you want to edit. So modify, left click, and we're going to drag it. So remembering this highlighted sections indicate what's going to remain in your video. So this is going to remain, and this section is going to remain. Now you just need to work out what we're going to delete. So ideally there's going to be two sections, faded out sections, that are going to be deleted. So I'll pause the video, I'll find out those sections I want, and then I'll wrap up at the end. So I found the section that I want to keep. So now we have two sections we want to keep. So that's highlighted here. And now we have to add one more section at the very back of the actual video editing. So we click on add section. So what we're trying to achieve now is another blank section. So this front section is going to be deleted, not shown in our video. And this section is too. So I'll pause the video and find out exactly the second part I want to cut out, and I'll come back. So what we've done, so we found the last section we want to keep. So we've deleted two sections, so I've trimmed and made our video more efficient. So what's faded out the first instance won't be included in the second part. And now the best practice would be is to click on the first section, left click, just to make sure this little timer is at the start of your section. And the reason why I say that is so this selectable area is viewable, so you can actually click on play trim sections only, because the trim sections is what's going to remain, and when you click on play it'll skip all the blank sections and only play the trim. So that's what will be the final production part, and that's what we want to do. So very quickly, I don't need to go to the start of the video, I'll drag it here, it's going to pick up this section, click on play. So we're going to this like that, so right click, unlink. So just making sure it's flowing properly and how you wanted it. So I'm going to play again, just at the second section now. So We don't want that modulated for this scenario here, so we're just going to copy it again. So go to the back section, just make sure it flows, connected well, stitched together. Copy. Put it on screen so you can see it. If it goes in, yep. So does it make sense? If it makes sense and you're happy with that, then you click on done. So that's how to do a post upload of a video edit and also add multiple sections in the case of deleting parts of your video that you don't want to remain in your production. So hopefully that helps, guys. Matt K, Build with K. Cheers. Bye.